Hello, this is Virgil Labrador, Editor-in-Chief of Satellite Markets and Research, and we're here in the Satellite 2015 in Washington, D.C. with the Quintech Electronics and Communications. Their CEO and Chairman has graciously agreed to do this videocast. His name is Dan Prushnok, and here to talk about their company, their products, and what they're highlighting in the show is Dan. So Dan, welcome to this videocast.
Oh, thank you, Virgil. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah. How's the show going for you?
Excellent. It's been a very good first day, and actually our second day. We started on Monday, but
right.
Excellent show.
Good traffic and interest in your products?
The busiest day, first day of in my memory was yesterday, right. So good.
Well, for the benefit of our viewers who are not too familiar with the company, can you give me a brief background of your company? You know, how long you've been in business, and what are your product lines?
Sure, Virgil. Yes, Quintech was founded in 1989, and we are celebrating our 26th year of business in RF signal management solutions. And we had our first patent in 1996. It was a matrix switch, and we have developed into the designer and builder of the world's largest configuration matrix switchers.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So what are, can you enumerate what your product lines are? I know you mentioned switches, but...
Certainly, we have a diverse product line. Our main product is the RF L-band matrix switch, mm-hmm. of which we have configurations from the very smallest all the way up to a 2048 by 2048, mm-hmm. And everything in between. So we offer the customer a very, very broad line of matrix switch products and derivatives. Mm-hmm. We also have fiber optic products in which we have acquired the DEV System Technique in Friedberg, Germany. Mm-hmm. Our subsidiary allows us to offer a more end-to-end solution from the satellite antenna all the way to the NOC in terms of fiber optic products and capabilities. Mm-hmm. We also have telephony products and wireless test products that we brand as the Nexus line. Mm-hmm. That is used extensively worldwide in wireless test and laboratories. Test and measurement laboratories, and these products are used to simulate real networks in a controlled environment. So we call that emulation of free space in a controlled lab environment.
Right. So DEV was your first acquisition, right?
DEV was our first acquisition. However, in the early days, Quintech, which means 5 technologies, we had other companies in which we amalgamated into one and gave it the name Quintech.
Right, right. And how's that going for you, that acquisition? It's been, what, 2 years?
No, it's been less than 2 years, mm-hmm. and it couldn't be going better. Mm-hmm. Our ability to broaden our sales platform more internationally, combine our engineering resources and ability to now develop new products to serve our customers in a broader manner with these the two companies' complementary lines and skill sets.
Right. Well, here at the show, what are you showcasing?
We are showcasing our newest product, which is the Extreme 256, and that is a 128 by 128 RF matrix with amazing asymmetrical capabilities. Mm-hmm. So it can be any size that would add up to 256 inputs and outputs, mm-hmm. and all in one chassis. Right. What that means is that it's can readily replace the old legacy system matrices, mm-hmm. that can be quite cumbersome and large by a right. factor of 6 times. Right. So it uses 6 times less the power, 6 times less the cabling, 6 times less the rack space. A very radical design and a very innovative product for the future customer uses. Right.
And the typical customer for this are teleports?
Yes. For this particular matrix, it would be large teleports, large broadcasting facilities, mm-hmm. and government and military applications.
Right, right. Well, I think that's a pretty good overview of your company and your products. So what else can we expect from Quintech in the near term?
We have advanced R&D projects. Our project roadmap is quite active, and we have some nice things coming out in the next few years that we develop both internally and with our DEV engineering team. We also offer a very compact matrix, a 64 by 64 in a 4U, which is world class. No one can make that same claim for the features and benefits that this particular matrix offers. We call that the Archimedes.
Right.
We also have moving into telephony and wireless services. We are moving from 4 gigahertz to 6 gigahertz. That would include the mobility testing that is so necessary for cellular and satellite cooperation in order to move mobile networks more freely in developing economies and countries. In relation to satellite, there's a very good opportunity for Quintech. We build products that help assist and help grow the Ka band and HTS satellites that are used for cellular backhaul in emerging economies and countries, and very much play a major part in testing and allowing those applications to be seamless. With the acquisition and DEV, we offer redundancy at great distances of over 100 kilometers for HTS satellite teleports. We also look forward to the deployment of satellite cellular systems into emerging and growing countries, which need to be tested and proven before their implementation. Our products help with that, help to define those networks.
Right. Well, thanks very much, Dan. Good luck with the rest of the show.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much, Virgil, and I certainly appreciate the opportunity to talk with you.
Likewise. And for all the news and information in the global satellite industry, you always have Satellite Markets and Research at www.satellitemarkets.com.